Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to share location on Google Maps. So let's get started. So if you want to share your location on Google Maps, so to do that what you have to do is follow some easy steps. First, what you can do is just simply search for maps in your device. So just simply open up your Maps application, and after opening up your Google Maps, now what you can do is simply tap on that blue color dot which you can find in the right side of your screen. So you will find this blue dot. What you can do is just simply tap on it, and that will take you to your location. And from here what you can do is just zoom into your location and then tap and hold on your location. And after tapping and holding on your location, now it will show you your location. So now what you can do is just simply tap on share, which is on the bottom right corner. And after tapping on share, now if you just simply scroll up, you will find the following applications that you can share your location to. So now you can share your location in your WhatsApp, Instagram, Viber, and any other application that you want. So that's it guys, this is how to share location on Google Maps. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.